Hello everyone, my name is Ali Çetmeli. I am the founder of Meridyen AI, and in this very short video, I would like to explain you how manufacturing industry use case works in our offline Meridyen AI environment. As you can see, if the manufacturing CEO asks this question, what is our realistic production capacity for 2016? What happens on the backside is that Meridyen AI platform goes and look at ERP systems and connects different databases because of the question. And from that different databases, it generates responses like 2025 utilization patterns. Current capacity can support additional 11%. So what is really happening on the backside is because of Meridyen AI offline platform works within your company, and it is because of no internet connection, and it is because of fully GDPR compliant, none of your databases goes outside or data goes outside. All of your databases connects to Meridyen AI internal platform, which runs on your AI server, and then any of executives can question any of the company data. Let's see this in the real case. This is our data Meridyen AI, and it has ERP database connected on the backside. If I ask the very same question, the response doesn't come from Excel file, of course. We do not upload any file to anywhere. We utilize offline and open source LLMs on the backside. This database and this platform is not internet connected, and the response is coming from my databases. So the real idea behind is to make sure you can communicate your data sets and you can get realistic responses, recommendations, and prediction from your data. Thank you for listening.